How to activate GO2bank Prepaid Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate your GO2bank Prepaid Card. For this, you want to open any web browser and search for Activate GO2bank Prepaid Card. Now, you can activate your card by calling the customer support. You will easily find the customer support number over here, or you can scroll down a bit and tap on the GO2bank help option. Once you tap on this, it will land you on this web page. Here you want to scroll down a bit and tap on the Activate Your Card option under Account section. Now, in order to activate your GO2bank prepaid card, you will have to enter some details. You want to start by entering the 16-digit card number. After that, you want to enter the expiration date. Now, you want to enter the security code. After you enter all these details, check the box that says I'm not a robot. Once that is completed, tap on the continue option. Now you will have to complete the verification step. Once it has been completed, your card will be successfully activated. After your GO2bank prepaid card is activated, you will be notified via email or SMS. Then you can start using your prepaid card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.